Hello beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the Quick Starter Nitro set. Not for everybody, I know, but I wanted to show you the value for money with this set. Just the tools alone are pretty cool in my opinion. I bought it off EuroRC.com, so this is a European distributor, retailer, and it's again not for everybody, but the set should be available all the way around the world. This specific retailer has got one of the quickest shipping times ever. It went from Finland all the way at the top, all the way to Malta, halfway down the bottom. I don't know how many kilometers that is, but it is far. So to give you some idea, it left, let me just turn that off, there we go. It left Helsinki, Finland on the 18th of October at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it arrived in Malta, delivered to my house less than 24 hours later, the very next day. That is bonkers. I am going to quickly check how far that is. Okay, apparently it is 1,739 miles, 2,799 kilometers. Sounds like a lot, but I'm sure that's correct. And you've been listening to me whine about being overheated and sweating for the whole of the summer. Now you're going to have to listen to me moan and whine about it being absolutely freezing up here. It is cold. Yes, outside it's very warm, but inside it's freezing. Right, into this set. Cost me €21.99. So what would that be? About 26 US dollars. The other reason I wanted to show this off was because it's got a starter in there, and it's not really that obvious how you charge it. So let's get into it straight away. Oops, there's a charger. Normal charger here. I'll leave that there because I'm going to have to use it in a minute. This is obviously for your nitro fuel. Dun, dun, dun. Tools are really, really good quality. I have to say, they're going to be, I mean the handles are a bit small, but it's definitely something I'm going to use all of the time. Let's just have a quick look. Are they the right size? Yes, they are. Excellent. Right. This is the one that I'm most impressed with, but I'll show you that in a sec. And then I'll get the starter out as well. Okay, metal, very good quality. Put that to one side. Look at this thing. It's actually quite heavy to it. I'm sure when they were deciding, you know, how much quality to put into this, they're like, let's make it as light as possible. And then one guy went, no, that's not going to work for me. Let's make it as heavy as possible. And it weighs quite a lot. The reason why I like this is you've got a lot of very good sizes on it, but it's also got the 17mm on the back, which I thought was very handy. So 17 at the top, we have 10mm there. 7. Is that going to get in there? 6, or is that 5? I'm gonna have to say 6. And at the bottom, 9. What have we got here? 12.5. That's weird, isn't it? Right, anyway. So there you go. So very good quality, and I'm going to be having this in my to-go toolkit. Because obviously when I'm out recording, I need as many tools with me as possible. Sometimes more than what I've got here. So I'm actually going to start to have a separate on-the-go toolkit, and this will definitely be part of it because it's got so many different attachments. Fantastic. Now, this is the 3000 milliamp hour glow plug starter. But when it came to actually charging it, I'm like, all right, I had no idea how this worked. I kind of figured something like that, but I'm like, well, that's not really working very well. So let me show you quickly. You pull this back like so. You put it there, and then when you push it back up, it's now holding it, you see. So that's how you do it. You then plug that in and charge it up. This is obviously all in anticipation for getting the Formula 1 car up and running. Cannot wait for that. I have to obviously buy some nitro fuel, and as yet I do not have any. And there's one place on the island I know I can get it, so I need to get over there and pick some up. So this is the set. Can I recommend that you buy it? Well, if you don't have a nitro car, maybe not. I don't think these, well, no, you're not really going, well, could you use that for oil? Maybe, I don't know. These are not really worth it for the money, but certainly if you have a nitro car, what a bargain, I have to say. These alone were sort of the 17, 18 euros. So to get all of these other bits for another 5 more, I'm very happy with that. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day today. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.